Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select uninstall a program. You need to uninstall two programs guys. First one is MSI Afterburner and the second one is Rivet Tuner. If you don't want to uninstall, then select the system tray icon. If these programs is running in the background, then just right click on them and select a close. Just right click on the Rivet Tuner as well, select a close, and now you can try to launch Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on the date and time over here and select adjust date and time. You just need to turn off set time automatically, and you just need to change the time manually to the next day. For example, if today is 22 July, set the date to 23 July. Today is 24. I'm changing to 25 the next day and select the change option. Now you can launch the Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, if you have a steering wheel connected to your PC, then it will automatically close the game if it's not supported. So unplug your steering wheel connected to the PC, and after that you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4 is to uninstall Roblox or delete anything about Roblox, but don't forget to empty the recycle bin and reinstall the Roblox again and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5 is to update your graphics card driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD Radeon software. If you don't have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for the download link. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.